Hello everyone! Want to snatch jawline and anti-aging secrets? This viral Korean facelifting massage is a game changer. You can use your hands or any tools you have. Plastic, rubber, or silicone scalp and hair massagers work perfectly, as long as it feels comfortable. I'm using my favorite gadgets, so grab your mirror and let's start. Step 1. Scalp relaxation. Release tension in the scalp to help lift and open up the upper eyelids. Step 2. Awakening the gaze. Apply deep pressure across the forehead, using your knuckles to achieve a more refreshed, wide-awake look. Step 3. Mid-face sculpting. To prevent the center of the face from sagging, perform deep, firm pressure underneath the cheekbones. Step 4. Enhancing the lift. Amplify the lifting effect with targeted sweeping motions across the mid-face region, out the nasolabial folds while chiseling and defining the contour of the cheekbones. Step 5. Nasal lymphatic drainage reduces puffiness around the nose to refine its shape, making it appear more sculpted and contoured. Step 6. Advanced lifting technique. Incorporate a powerful lifting motion, guiding the center of the face upward toward the crown of the head. During the massage, you might notice some clear fluid or running water from your nose. This is completely normal lymphatic drainage. It's a great sign that your muscles are fully relaxing and the excess fluid is finally leaving your face. Step 7. Fox eyes and lymphatic drainage. Anchor your hand firmly at the temple. Take a deep breath. This helps relax the muscles around the eyes and prevent wrinkles. Then, perform lymphatic drainage at the cheekbones to remove puffiness. Step 8. Take a deep breath and finish by draining the excess fluid down the neck.